Imagine cruising the seas on a yacht so luxurious it has its own swimming pool, and it costs $20 million. This yacht is over 150 feet long with state-of-the-art navigation, multiple decks, a helipad, and luxurious cabins designed for ultimate relaxation. To compare, a middle-class family might spend $300,000 on a house. This yacht costs nearly 70 times more. For billionaires, it's not just about sailing. It's about traveling in style, privacy, and absolute comfort anywhere in the world. Want to see more incredible billionaire toys? Like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping luxury content.